Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicles at home with fruit. Making delicious, healthy popsicles is incredibly simple and requires just a few basic ingredients. You will need your favorite fresh or frozen fruits, a liquid base like water or juice, and an optional natural sweetener. This easy guide will help you create refreshing treats that everyone will love, perfect for any warm day. Let's gather our supplies and get started on these delightful frozen snacks. Now that you have your ingredients, it is time to blend them into a smooth, flavorful mixture. Combine your chosen fruits, liquid, and any sweetener in a blender. Process until the consistency is completely smooth, ensuring no large chunks remain. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness as needed. Perhaps add a little more honey or maple syrup. For an extra creamy popsicle, consider adding a spoonful of yogurt or coconut cream before blending. With your perfect fruit mixture ready, the next step is to fill your popsicle molds. Carefully pour the blended liquid into each mold, leaving about 1/4 inch of space at the top to allow for expansion during freezing. Then, insert your popsicle sticks firmly into the center of each mold. Place the filled molds in the freezer and let them solidify for at least 4 to 6 hours, or ideally, overnight for best results. Once your popsicles are completely frozen, it is time to enjoy your homemade treat. To easily remove them from the molds, simply run warm water over the outside of each mold for a few seconds. This helps to loosen the popsicle. Gently pull the stick, and your delicious fruit popsicle should slide right out. Store any remaining popsicles in an airtight container in the freezer. These refreshing, fruity delights are perfect for a hot day or a healthy snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.